What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a new video. So right here I got this wallet, right? So I've been investigating this wallet for quite some time now, and it's sitting at a 4,589,000, right? So basically I was like trying to figure out how this dude making all this money, right? And yeah, I was like investigating his movements and how he managed to make this kind of money. Like, now, like, meme coins and everything it's been quite rough. But yeah, Solana is at like a 94 right now. And yeah, it's been a bit rough. So there's, it's not actually trading that he's doing. He's doing something else, like something new. He's basically making money with arbitrage bots. So what he's doing is using some kind of bot, something like this bot that I discovered, NanoArb bot. So it's a lightweight arbitrage bot that scans markets for profitable price spreads and executes trades based on user-defined conditions. So basically, when you start the bot, it's like an ultra-low latency designed for Solana's lightning fast and Ethereum too. So this bot, you can like use it for Solana or Ethereum, like whatever you like. But it's gonna like scan multi-dex arbitrage opportunities, right? So yeah, this wallet has been doing this. He's been like doing it with the multiple wallets and then dumping all the profits in this wallet. I'm watching actually. So yeah, it wasn't 4 million. Let me tell you, I've been watching this wallet for quite some time now. It was like 2 mil, then 3, then 4, and it's been going up since then. So yeah, this is something that can change your life. This is something huge. The arbitrage is like a competitive game, right? But with the right developers, you can get your hands on a very good and high-speed arbitrage bot that can like make you profits. So this bot is the bot that's gonna make you profit. So all you gotta do is start now, and NanoArb bot setup guide, high-speed arbitrage now on Solana and Ethereum. You gotta import like a Solana wallet or an Ethereum wallet, or you can like import both of them, and then you're gonna like start the bot, and status is gonna be active, and then it's gonna be generating profits. I've told you guys about it a couple of times now, and I've tested it out myself. I'm gonna like put like a tutorial how to use it really quickly. But yeah, today I'm trying to talk about the profits that this bot can do. Like, I've started out with 5k actually on this. It's been like about a month now, and let me tell you, it's going well. Surprisingly, it's going really well. I'm gonna drop a video of the profits that I've made with this bot, but yeah, this bot is the new thing. Arbitrage 2026. Yeah, this is the new thing. So if you're trying to like get into this, you can go ahead and try the bot for yourself. Like, this is the link to the bot. You can go ahead and try it. It's NanoArb-bot. So yeah, I'm gonna attach a tutorial video and how much profits it can bring you. Like,
we need to activate the bot. I'm gonna show you how it scans the dexes and execute these trades based on the price difference in these multiple Solana and Ethereum dexes. You can use the Solana wallet or Ethereum wallet. So we're gonna try out our Solana wallet here. So exactly we got 16 Sol, and we're gonna grab the private key of this wallet. Okay, I just copied my Solana wallet private key. Basically, I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so um, wallet imported successfully. Sol wallet imported successfully. You can now import the other chain or activate. Sweet. So we can like add up our Ethereum wallet too, or we can just activate it with that wallet. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just activate the bot right here. So NanoArb is activated, now scanning Solana and Ethereum for opportunities. So basically we're gonna wait a little bit here and it's gonna start executing trading and it's gonna start executing these smart trades and winning us some profits on these price differences. It's basically a very smart and high-speed arbitrage bot. And just like that, we got our first execution. There we go, it's pulling up. So we just swap Bobcat and USDC. There's a 2% difference, 2% edge. We bought on Drift and sold on Aldrin. So our position was like 5 Sol. It used 5 Sol for that position. This is the fees and net profit is 3.5 bucks basically. You're gonna see this and you're gonna think like it's not much, right? But hey, it's executing trades all day long. So you're basically farming profits right here. So there's damn. So there's that 3 bucks, 2 bucks, almost two and a half, 2.5 bucks, 5 bucks actually. This is a very good one. It like spammed the Bobcat and USDC. So we got Ray and USDC. There's 1% edge, 3 bucks profit, and 2 bucks profit. So we just made like 17 bucks from just starting out. And that's basically because I'm using 16 Sol for this because it oh shit. Oh yeah, these 17 bucks are now like 26 bucks. So it profited on 8 different executions. Basically, we started out with 16.22 Sol, and now we're at like 16 point almost 5 Sol. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. We just made like 26 dollars profit in minutes as we speaking right now. So yeah, it's really it's a really big opportunity for people who is starting out or trying to get into the arbitrage bot thing. This is not a financial advice, but yeah, if you wanna try it out, you can go ahead and try it out at nanoarb dash bot. So yeah, this is the link. I'm gonna leave the link in this in the description below, obviously. And yeah, it's gonna keep on executing these trades all day long. You can like it's basically a passive income. if you think about it. You can just like load up the wallet, import it to the nanobot, and just keep checking it out. Sometimes it doesn't like profit. Sometimes the execution is not does not go right every time, but it doesn't like cost you money when you like lose an opportunity or something like that. So there's another $2. We're at like $30 right now. So yeah, nice. Um, okay, 36 now. Nice, very, very nice. And you can see the date and time. Yeah, it's very profitable. I've tried it, and I advise like with testing out, I would say like go with 5 sol because the positions is like you can see right here 3.9, 3 sol, 5 sol, 4. So it's like averages between 3 sol to 6 or 7 sol. Basically, I advise you to like go in with load up like 5 sol. But if you're trying to like do it like me, you can load up your wallet with, I don't know, 10 or 16 sol and like watch it go up, you know? Just keep profiting and everything. So yeah. As we speak, we're at $40 right here. Yeah, that's really profitable. But if you go and load up your wallet with like less sol, you're not gonna make like you're not gonna make a lot of profits. This is a very good average, you know. Uh, when you like load up your wallet with more sol, you're gonna make more profits, obviously. So yeah. Um, you can like check it out on the description below. That's it for today, guys. I'm gonna like update you on the bot on a second video. But yeah, if you're trying to like get into the arbitrage bot, you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. And yeah, have a good one. I'll see you guys on the next video.